This is exactly what I did to make my first $10,000 online, and I'm gonna walk you through how I got my first 10 customers and what I did right and what I did wrong so that you can simply copy me. I had always been in some kind of online business from the time I was 13, 14 years old. I was already building multiple online products and making money, and I had multiple phases in my life. Phase 1, where I was just manifesting making money online, to phase 2, where I actually got my first 100 customers, pay me $100 each, to phase 3, where I could apply one same lesson over and over again to make money every single time from whatever online business I did. Currently, I'm running a multi-million-dollar company, SBL.so, and over the last 3 years, I have worked with hundreds of businesses globally across tech, finance, education, manufacturing, and many others. And I have seen this same mistake kill more online businesses than anything else. So today, here is the easiest way to build a successful online business without wasting time in 2026. Chapter 1. Almost every first-time founder does this mistake, which even I did. That first-time founders get a business idea, get excited, and start building it right away. And they'll spend months just building something and adding features, making it more perfect with zero customers. And when they feel their product is finally ready, then they go and try to sell, and then realize that nobody really wants to buy it. And it's not because idea was bad at the first place or product was not built right or anything like that. It's because most founders know a wrong order of doing things, that build a great product and customers will follow. And that is not true in reality. In 2026, with tools like Claude Code, Cursor, and bunch of these other AI tools out there, you can have a working product in literally 1 week, sometimes even lesser. So if building is that easy, why would you waste your important 6 months before you even know if somebody will actually buy from you or not? So if I have to start a business today, I would sell first and then bid. That's the whole mindset shift. Some might just ask that, hey, I don't have anything to sell. What would I sell? Chapter 2. Before you build anything, there's always one thing you have to do first. Find a problem that people are genuinely desperate to solve in their own life and pay for it. Here's how I would do it. I would observe firstly my personal life. Do I myself encountered any problem which others are also facing? Or something in the industry I know about? Are there things which are unorganized or nobody has really solved it before? I will write it down, say 10, 15, maybe 20 ideas. And then I will call 20 right people, not my best friends or my family members, and share them the ideas and ask a question. Is this really a problem which they are facing as well, or it's just me? And now I will have 3 real problems which, say, 18 out of 20 people said yes, that they also face this same. Now that 3 idea is worth continuing. Now just sell it before you build it. Chapter 3. So you have got a short list of strong ideas. Now most people sit and start building. But no, that's wrong. If I were starting a business today, I would first go and talk to real prospects and sell them first. Some might ask, hey, I don't have anything ready yet. What do I sell? Sell them your dream, that why the problem is a real problem and somebody should really care about that and pay you as you are the only person solving that. Call the same 18 people who said initially yes, that they will buy it, and ask how much they would pay if you solve this problem for them. Let them answer. They say $10, accept it. They say $50, even accept that. If they say $1 of free, accept that as well. Give them bonuses that if you buy now, I'll give you, say, free for the next 6 months. Or give them guarantees that if you don't like this, the end product, I'll refund you, say, 90% of your money back without any question. If 7 or 8 people out of, say, 10 say, yes, I will pay, send them your payment link right away and get the money right away in your bank account. Here, you have sold your dream outcome or the solution of the problem that you're building without actually building something. Do the same with 30-50 people. Use tools like SBL to automate your LinkedIn outreach and target prospects and sell with RAI, and take the money and give them the commitment. If most people say that, no, I won't pay anything for such, get your reality check and move to your next idea. But now, as you see, when somebody pays you for something that does not even exist yet, that is a proof that your product will work. You already have customers before even starting in just week 1. That is the clearest signal that the problem is real and worth solving. Do this before you write even a single line of code in 2026. Chapter 4. Now that you have validated the idea, you have got early customers who paid upfront. Now go and build. But keep it small. Don't try to build, say, 10 features. Build just one thing that solves the main problem. That's it. In 2026, this should take about a week using AI. Give your early customers a clear date. Tell them that when they'll have access to it and deliver on it. Then watch. Are they finding value after you ship the product to them? Or are they coming back for asking for refunds? If nobody's asking for refunds, you're on the right track. And now, here's where most founders make the second biggest mistake. That product is live. I have, say, 10-20 customers. So they think that I have enough validation. Now, let me add more features, improve more designs, make it better. But no, just wait for some more time. Don't stop selling. Have more customers to fund your further development. Because as you sell more, three things happen. One, you have real revenue. You are not dependent on any investor to give you money to survive. Second, your customers tell you exactly what to build next, not what you think they need. And third, as you have money in your bank account, thoroughly bring good talent to then refine your product, and you focus on just selling more whatever initial version you already have and build distribution. Because building is so easy these days. Even I built a whole new product in like 24 hours and sold it in 24 hours. And you can actually watch this video as well. Focus on distribution, because AI can now copy and build any product from scratch. Building product and softwares have literally lost their differentiation. You can't win just by having a software. So prioritize more on finding your real moat or main differentiator. Build distribution, because that's something AI can't copy. Now, after, as you are confident and also have a decent sustainable customer acquisition channel, people are buying from you, your first version that you have built, you now know that this is the right thing to spend your time, effort, resources, and say your next couple of years into this. That's how you build a successful business online without wasting a single day. Most people do this completely backwards. They build for months and then try to sell and then find out that it's not a good problem at all to solve. I made this exact same mistake. It costed me years and thousands of dollars wasted. You now have the shortcut in under 7 minutes. If this helped, drop a comment and let me know, where are you right now? Are you still figuring out the idea? Are you already building? And I'll read every single comment and see you in the next one.